Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI. My husband and I have been on the hunt for an ab roller, and when we saw this one from POYIPI, we had to give it a try. As you can tell, this is not your regular old ab roller, which personally was very hard for me to use. I have to say the design is the first thing that stood out to us. We love that it has four wheels, which evenly distributes our weight, so we don't have to worry about keeping our balance or falling over while we work out. And it is so comfortable. It has padding on the bottom for your elbows and around the bar. This really helps support our arms and our shoulders and not put a strain on them as we work out. And just in case you're wondering, yes, even with all these comforts, you still feel the burn as you use this ab roller. In fact, my two-pack has turned into 2.5, and I'm very proud of it, and I know it's going to only improve as I continue to use this. I like the timer it comes with and the spot for your phone, which we thought would be handy in case we're following a workout video or if we just want to watch our favorite show while we work out. We were also impressed with the quality. My husband is 6'4", about 200 pounds, and I'm 5'4", about 110 pounds, and we were both able to use this with no issues. We loved how innovative this ab roller is while giving us a good workout. We definitely recommend giving it a try. That's our point of view.